Hi, this is Yoshi. Lecture 21 is a cat. What a lousy face he has drawn, Grandpa. Okay, folding a cat and the dog are very similar. Very, very similar. Okay, first use a square paper, fold diagonal. Then this fold diagonal to fold again, another diagonal. Then unfold. Exactly same as folding a dog. Fold a triangle. The end point is the center. Other side same. And fold the middle part of 3 triangles. Turn over. Now this is it. It should look like this. Now the important thing is to draw parts of face. Grandpa is not good at drawing face. Ooh. Cat's eyes are different from dog. A bit shameful. Please watch lecture 23 to 25, how to draw faces. Okay, lecture 21's cat supplement video. Here you will see a Mika's drawing face, so please watch. Okay, first, big triangle, fold again to half. So animal faces are very simple for folding. Folding pattern is similar and very simple. Like this. And one of the 3 triangles in the middle to fold inside. Okay, this is going to be the cat face. Okay, now she's coming. First, set the nose position. This is critical. If nose position is not balanced, then whole figure is going to be imbalanced. Okay, lips this time. The end of lips are the lowest point. And the eyes this time is like a U shape. Add extra eye lines. Now you feel that this cat is crying, right? So add tears. Okay, cat is done. The next is rabbit.